Hello, in the previous video, I showed you how to optimize your website's contents, in ways that help increase your rankings in the search engines. Please see that video before if you did not see it. Now, it's time to look at behind-the-scenes settings that affect how search engines rank your site, as well as how to monitor your site statistics to see how well your SEO and marketing efforts are paying off. Firstly, you should optimize the admin settings. A number of settings in WordPress have an effect on the way search engines see your site. When you first installed WordPress, you had the option of making your site visible to search engines, which was a good idea to keep it hidden until you were finished building it. Now, it's time to unblock your site, which you do under Settings. Select Reading. If you forget to uncheck this box, search engines will not index your new site. Most good SEO plugins warn you if you forget. Another admin setting that's important is your site title. Under Settings, select General. Even if you use a graphic in your header instead of the default text title that many WordPress themes use, this site title setting remains important because it's used by most WordPress themes when creating the HTML title tag, which in turn displays at the top of your browser window. Make sure the site title is the one people likely would use if they're looking for you or your business. You can also customize the website permalinks. In fact, every web page on a WordPress site has a permanent link or permalink. This is a unique URL that never changes unless you actually delete the element in WordPress that creates web page, such as a post, page, category, and so on. That's what custom or pretty permalinks in WordPress are all about, creating more user-friendly and search-friendly URLs. And you choose the structure of pretty permalinks under Settings. Select Permalinks. What is the best setting for custom permalinks? There's some disagreement about this, but the one most recommended is the post name setting, which essentially leaves out any date or category names in the resulting URL. The trouble with WordPress's custom permalinks is that they're anything but permanent. A user can change a custom permalink at any time. Remember this about titles: keep custom permalinks clear and succinct. Many SEO plugins can help with this process by removing stop words such as in, a, and, for, and so on. Stop words are ignored by search engines, and shorter URLs are easier for visitors to visually scan. Secondly, concerning the meta tags. A meta tag is a type of HTML tag that's hidden in the head area of a web page. They're used for various purposes, one of which is for search engines to understand what a page is about. Not only do search engines look for the search words in the description meta tag, but also they compare what's said in the description to see if it aligns with the content of the page. In addition, the description meta tag, if it meets these criteria, is often used as all or part of the two lines shown below the page title in most search engine results. Technically, a web page's title tag is not a meta tag, but because it's hidden in the head area and used by search engines, it belongs with the current discussion. The important difference with meta tags is that most WordPress themes create a title tag using, at least in part, the site title from Settings. Select General. So, in that sense, you have some direct control of the title tag in virtually any WordPress installation. Thirdly, you should use the plugins for SEO. Because WordPress does not offer an interface for creating meta descriptions or controlling title tags, you need a plugin for that. One of the most powerful and popular of the complete SEO plugins is WordPress SEO by Yoast. And one of its key features is a meta box that appears on all edit screens. The most helpful part of this plugin is the page analysis feature. This powerful tool looks at the content of your page and rates it from a search engine standpoint, and not just based on the keyword you claim to be optimizing for. There's a lot to this plugin, as there is to any SEO plugin that aims to give you a complete set of tools for optimization. These plugins have settings that, if you handle them incorrectly, can actually hurt your rankings. For further details, see our video of optimizing your contents with Yoast's SEO plugin. I finished here the video. If you find it useful, subscribe for more video. Thanks and see you soon in the next videos.